Okay, here's a quick demo of a wireless YouTube foot which I've built mainly for the purpose of practicing guitar, but you could use it with any kind of performance that you're trying to learn from a YouTube video and you don't have any hands-free. So I'll give a quick dodgy demo right now. Just turn on the unit and go to the web page of the device. One click here to allow it to take control, and now from the device I can control the video. Obviously I'm doing it on the desk here with my hands, but usually I'd have this on the floor controlling it with my feet. So basic controls to skip forward until I found something, or found the bit that I want to work. Maybe, what are we doing here? Tientos falsetta. So I can actually start a loop. Okay, and if I just wanted to focus on that one piece, I now have that looping ad infinitum until I have it right. And then maybe move on to something else. Yeah, all good. Oh, I got to the end of the video. There we go. Of course, could switch to another video, look up what you like on YouTube. Doesn't have to be guitar, of course. We could maybe practicing some footwork or palmas or whatever. Okay. Okay. Looks a bit too complicated, so let's loop that over and I got the work. Anyway, that's the basic unit. I think I'll actually be using this one. Quick look inside. It's quite simple. It's just a ESP8266, the ESP12E version, I think, on an adapter board with some shift registers which are controlling the RGB LEDs on the front and taking in the switch contacts, which are these contacts down here. 18650 battery unit, which has got the charging and the the buck regulation to bring the output down to about 3.2 volts. So just dodgy little switch on there. And then limit switches and a spring on each of the pedals. That's it.